Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Frigidaire Gallery Nugget ice maker ice button is not responding, it doesn't always mean that the button is broken. It often a control panel lock setting or internal glitch issue. So in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can fix it in 2026. So in order to fix it, you need to understand one thing. Some models have a child lock or control lock feature. If this is enabled, the buttons won't respond at all. So in order to fix it, you just have to simply press and hold the lock or the power button for a few seconds in order to unlock the panel. Then you can try pressing the ice button again. Now the touch controls can also stop working if the surface is dirty or wet. The moisture, ice residue or grease can also block the touch sensitivity. So in this case, you just have to do nothing but to just wipe the control panel, and you need to basically use a soft cloth and ensure that your fingers are dry when pressing. Now you can also reset the system completely. For that, you just have to unplug the ice maker and wait for about 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back in. This is going to clear any kind of internal software glitches that can freeze the button inputs. Now, if the unit is in the cleaning mode or mid-cycle, some of the buttons may not respond. So in that case, again, you just have to do nothing but to just wait for the cycle to finish or exit the mode before pressing the ice button again. Now, sometimes the panel isn't dead, it's just delayed. So in that case, simply press the button once and wait for a few seconds. Avoid pressing it repeatedly, as this can confuse the system. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.